Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? Today we are going to start our new lesson, first phonic lesson. We are going to learn short vowel sound. A, ant. A, ant. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. K, at, cat. K, at, cat. At, mat. At, mat. At, rat. At, rat. At, fat. At, fat. At, hat. At, hat. At, sat. At, sat. At, cap. At, cap. At, tap. At, tap. At, map. App, map. Gap, gap. Gap, gap. App, lap. App, lap. App, nap. App, nap. Bad, bad. Bad, bad. Dad, dad. Dad, dad. Add, lad. Add, lad. Add, mad. Add, mad. Add, sad. Add, sad. Add, pad. Add, pad. Add, pan. Add, pan. Add, man. Add, man. Add, fan. Add, fan. Add, can. Add, can. Add, ran. Add, ran. Add, van. Add, van. Now it is activity time. Read the words and color that word that matches the picture. Now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.